Hello everyone. Today, due to changing times, it is very essential for PSPs to make the digital channel very strong. To increase sales and retain key clients, offering convenience of online ordering is very much critical. In North America, more than 60% of PSPs are using web to print or in-house developed storefronts to serve their end customers. But the challenge is due to lack of consistent upgrades and support, technology has become obsolete. They're only able to manage limited clients and offer limited products. Outdated UI and UX and their end clients are not able to easily order because of the lack of accessibility from multiple devices. Many of the PSPs are losing opportunity to serve large clients if they do not have the right platform which works on all devices, and they are not able to integrate with corporate clients internal platform and offer custom development as per the unique ordering needs. Today, printer has to look for a technology partner who offer platform with consistent upgrades and support, and which is as per with the latest technology and trends. According to the research, by 2022, mobile e-commerce sales is expected to account for 54% of total e-commerce sales. However, only 12% of consumers find shopping convenient on the mobile. On-Print Shop complete solution is powered by the latest technology like Bootstrap 4.0, HTML5. So retail and corporate online storefronts, designer studios, and backend admin panel is responsive, accessible from any device with different screen size, offering high-end shopping experience to your clients and internal team. Your end client like B2C, small to large B2B corporates, resellers can easily access, order, reorder, print on demand, and fulfillment print products from smart devices anytime. Homepage, product page, dynamic price calculator, and my account sections are easily accessible. You can also personalize your product page layouts differently for mobile devices, only display limited content for mobile users so they don't have to scroll more in the mobile devices. OnPinShop has developed multiple designer studios to offer personalized experience like Advanced HTML5 Designer Studio, Photobook Studio, and Photo Calendar and Diary Studio, Canvas and Photo Print solutions. All the designer studios are developed on HTML5, integrated with more stable PDF library, generating high resolution print ready PDF output. All studios are highly configurable per product, so you can enable disable functionalities and change experience as per the unique product strategy and target audience. There is a specialized mobile themes developed with quick or advanced editing options, so it would be easy for end clients to design online from any smart devices and any size of screen. All the buttons and options are optimized, understanding and researching end client behavior, ordering personalized print from mobile devices. They can easily use their fingers touch or electric pen to personalize any print products like commercial, wide format, proportional, apparels, photo book, photo calendar, canvas, and so on. The backend admin panel is also fully responsive. So internal team like CSRs, sales reps, production staffs, vendors can easily access the platform from any smart devices and work efficiently. There is also push notifications for important updates, which can be configured for PC, laptop, mobile devices, so you always be updated on important notifications. OnPrint Shop is an integrated web to print and print order management solution, simplifying ordering and delivery for your wide range of customers. You can offer wide range of products, so it offers you multiple designer studios, multiple storefronts in order to help you get into multi-print product segment. In the back end, you get automated order and quote management integrated with third-party platforms like Workflow, MIS, CRM, accounting, digital marketing platform for end-to-end automation. If you're interested launching an online storefront and introduce new products and services, visit us at www.onprintshop.com and set up time with our web to print consultant who will understand your current print business goals and share ideas how you can grow your print sales.